Hello friends, today we will discuss one topic from Indian economy. The name of the topic is Overview of Indian Agriculture in last 70 years. We will discuss this topic in a phase manner. That means we will discuss 5 phases of Indian agriculture from 1990 to 2020, and we will try to understand what happens in each phase of this Indian agriculture. So we start from the first phase. The first phase started in 1950 and ended in 1965. In this phase, government's main emphasis was on industry with limited focus on agriculture. The major source of agriculture growth during this phase was area increase without notable productivity gain. The second phase started from 1965 and ended in 1980. In the first phase, we had ignored the productivity of agriculture. That ignorance was corrected in the second phase, which is called Green Revolution phase. This phase is also called Green Revolution period, where productivity of agriculture sector is increased by using high yield variety seeds and technology, that is tractors, threshing machine and so on. The third phase starts from 1980s and continue up to 1990. In this phase, Green Revolution technology spread throughout the country. It results in more equitable inter-regional growth. Growth in public investment started slowing down in this third phase. We will have a separate topic on Green Revolution in my next video. The fourth phase starts from 1990 and continue up to 2005. This phase is known for launching macroeconomic reforms. This phase coincides with the period when India embraced globalization. So the process of globalization compelled Indian government to introduce macroeconomic reforms. This period or fourth period is marked by the import liberalization in edible oil sector in 1994. This phase can be further subdivided into two subphases. The first subphase starts from 1990 and ended in 1997, and second subphase started from 1997 to 2005. In the first phase or in the first subphase of 1990 to 1997, the macroeconomic reforms resulted in reduction in anti-agriculture bias. The second phase from 1997 to 2005 witnessed sharp decline in agriculture growth as a result of reduction in capital investment and decline in farm productivity. The anti-agriculture bias decreased considerably since 1990. This is mainly because of steady decline in manufacturing protection and correction of exchange rate as a result of macroeconomic reforms. There was also an attempt to reduce state's role in agriculture during this period. The final phase of this Indian agriculture starts from 2005, when states' role in agriculture increased and many programs were launched. So today's or this period is nothing but the fifth phase of our discussion, and we know that Indian government, state as well as central government had initiated lot of programs to improve the Indian agriculture. To conclude, Indian agriculture is a main or important sector of Indian economy. But from last 70 years, Indian government had not given proper attention like other countries, for example, Brazil. So if we emphasize on Indian agriculture, then it can become a very good source of export and earn the foreign exchange reserve. Thank you for watching my video.